Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to allow status sharing on WhatsApp. So with the new update, WhatsApp now lets users to share and forward statuses. But if you want this to be enabled on your status, you have to first of all toggle a settings. If you don't want your friends to be disturbing you to send them a meme, maybe send them a video you have posted on your WhatsApp, you can as well turn on the settings so that they won't disturb you anymore. To allow WhatsApp status sharing, what you have to do is to open your WhatsApp app, swipe to your status, click on the three dots at the top right corner. Now click on status privacy. You're going to see an option that says allow sharing. It says let people who can see your status reshare and forward it. You have to turn this on. So when you turn this on, your friends can now reshare and forward your status without even asking you to share them, your memes or your videos. So I'm going to give you an example of how it looks like when you turn this on. So one of my friends that have enabled these settings is Truth Design. So when you click on your friend's status, you're going to see this reshare button. You're going to see a reshare button at the bottom. When you click on it, it can now allow you to share the person's status. Keep in mind that they are going to notify him or her that you have shared his or her status. This is what we are going to see for the first time about status sharing. You can reshare someone's status if they have allowed sharing. They will be notified when you reshare their status. So have that in mind. So that's how you enable WhatsApp status sharing. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.